NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
Allie's Upper Crust at 1700 Highland Avenue has a full menu: pizza, roll-ups, salad, soup, sandwiches, strombolis, dinners. They are just great for dine-in or take-out. Don't forget to give them a call at 724-652-7553. It's Allie's Upper Crust.
Town and country where there's always a party. Yes, every weekend there's something to do, and there's always great food for you too. Lamb, finger food, steak sandwiches, roasted wings, and much, much more. It's a party and you're invited. Come to Town and Country. NewsWatch keeping you informed, and the HOYT Arts and Education is having their annual holiday open house Saturday, November 17th at 11 a.m. It's a great time to see the mansion all decorated and see friends of yours and stroll those great halls and see just how fantastic that place is. Truly incredible. That's Saturday the 17th. And it starts at 11 a.m. Tell them NCTV45 said ya. Let's hear from these great sponsors who keep community television on the air for you.